Oh yes, another day as a cashier in my cashier place. Gets pretty lonely here, being a cashier with no one around. I'm about to go check out. Oh look, a person walking really, really slow. Oh god, it's her again. She won't stop leaving me alone. She keeps going up and buying the same thing over and over and over again. Oh, please get her. Oh god, she's talking to herself. What a weirdo. Why would I ever do that? Okay, catch your car. Hello, ma'am. What would, oh, do you want the gummies again? Me acting up? See? You speak Spanish now? Yeah. No. People. Can I please have your credit card or method of payment? Ma'am, this isn't a walkie-talkie. Ma'am? Okay. Are you okay? This is the third time you've come in to buy these. Your house key. Okay. Beep boop! Beep boop! Beep boop! I had to scan that a few times because I like the noise it makes. Why do you speak Spanish now? She came in last time with the British accent. I don't know what's going on. Ah yes, the life of the cashier. The clouds are beautiful today. That one looks like blue. I'm going to check out. I'm going to check out again. I'm going to check out again. Oh, customer. Oh god! It's her again. She's talking to herself again. Hello. 6 gummies again? Hello. You want 6 gummies again? Here you go. Are you okay? No. I don't want that. Stop giving me your walkie-talkie. Ma'am, are you okay? Do you need a ride home? Are you okay? Ma'am? Do 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 do. Yay! Woo! All right. The cashier. My favorite part. Closing time. Let me just close the doors. Beep boop. Just for fun. Okay. Time to walk home from my job that I work at. I feel like someone is following me. Let me check behind me. No! Back in it back! I can eat is the gummies now. No. Ah! We're going to Total Foot Care. We're going to Total Foot Care. It's the best place. Total Foot Care. Total Foot Care. Total Foot Care. Total Foot Care.